It's a bit like Hal. It's a bit like Hal. It's a bit like Hal, is it? I'm sorry, Michael. Was it? I'm sorry, Michael. I'm going to. It's going to start singing later on. It's going to go Daisy, Daisy, give me your I'm sorry, Michael, but that is an unauthorized request. Right. Okay. I'm going to have to risk this one. I'm going to have to risk this one. Oh, no, no, no. Here we go. Look, here we go. Stand by. Stand by. A crabber. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, 350. Easy does it. Look at that. Virgin's 350 to kick the show off. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, nice big adjustment. Yeah. Matt Beale, the first one we're going to say hello to. Matt Beale, good morning. Okay, GP, I need to double check. I've got a picture here of yours truly. Morning, folks. I can't see whether I can see myself. I'm just going to have to look straight in the camera at you there. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Big Jet TV. Well, we made it right bang on 8 o'clock, just like we always do. We're always either a little bit early because we just can't get enough aviation fix for you lot. So welcome. It is Saturday morning here in the UK, just around about 8 AM. So if you just I guess well, it's very early in the morning in America, and it is the perfect time of day, I believe, out there in the east. So good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. We're going to be here for 20 minutes for your preview, the usual deal, you know the score, and then we're going to be here live for another 2 hours at least of action right here at the paddock. We do have some crosswinds. It's not as extreme as we hoped, but they are crabbing ever so slightly. So we're going to get some great touchdown action right here on runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Good morning to whoever you are, wherever you are around the world. I'm going to be reading out some comments, and if you're new to Big Jet TV, as we just heard, please make sure you come in and say hello. Matt, you're the first one I'm going to read out today, and welcome to Big Jet TV. Here we go. We're going to bring you some aviation action now as they stack. Okay. So, let's just say it there, okay, here we go, folks. Let's see what we've got. Kicking the show off as we did just now with that A350. Look, see, we've got a crab on. We've definitely got a crab on. And then we're going to see those little emoticons on YouTube for our crabs. So pointing the nose into the wind. Little A220 with Swiss. Yeah. Wow, 3 AM on the East Coast. Wow. That means it's about 11 o'clock on the West, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, there we go, yeah. Come on, camera. I know it's early and you've only just got up, but try a little harder, will you, son? Don't like the twinkly light. Easy, mate, easy. Lead issue there. Deal with that in a second. Oh, here we go. Doesn't matter, man. It's a show, isn't it? It's a show. It's during a show, so. It's alright, man. It's alright. Come on, son. Huh? You have to wait a little bit longer, right? Okay, let's just jump to some comments here, folks. You be patient, you lot. Just be patient, will you? God bless you, blimey. Okay, bringing up Facebook. Gonna have a big one in a minute, folks. Don't you worry about it. And by the way, folks, my reference to Brussels Airlines yesterday was during this show was just an example. I don't know why I picked Brussels Airlines, but I have to say my experience with Brussels Airlines, the one time I have flown with them, was exceptional. From London Heathrow out to Brussels, and we flew on the what was it? The Smurfette, the Smurf jet. Hey, I don't know why they didn't call it the Smurf jet. Still flying around. The icons, the oh, here we go. This could be quite interesting. A little Q400. Oh, it's doing it again. Oh, you. What are you doing, son? I'm going to start getting on my wick, that is. I've got a new rain jacket for the camera, folks. That's why you might you're seeing that that little thing flapping in front of the camera lens there. That's one of the toggles. I'm just going to adjust it in a second. Oh, yeah, here we go. Right, okay, let me just adjust this so that this doesn't cause our viewers any more issues. There we go. No more flappage. No more flappage. Okay, Big Jet TV free view, here we go. Good morning, everybody. Good evening. Wow, 30 degrees in Phuket. That's kind of crazy. Just quickly jump to this auto lock. Never, never, never. You're having a tin bath with your son? 750 is it, or 760? Wow, he's a bit offline, this old boy. 760. He's playing around there. Oh, here comes the wind. Oh yes, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ha ha ha, yeah. So as you can appreciate right there, folks, I've got a very small window of opportunity in terms of my picture, right between lampposts. Unfortunately, lampposts is lampposts and we can't move them. They are structures, immovable structures. Oh, is it now? Oh, God. Here we go. Check the flaperons. Oh, lots of stuff going on there. Oh, you bastard. Jeez, just got it, man. Just got it. Wow. Big swing and everything. Thanks, mate. Thanks, fella. Bless him, he's only doing his job, isn't he? But, you know, little does he know that he's ruined the flipping shop for like thousands of people around the world. But anyway, what can you do? What do you do when you fall in love? Right, let's just grab this here. Oh, no, 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 I didn't want that. I didn't want that. I didn't want that either. I wanted, oh, man, I'm on Freeview, my channel. Okay, go to my channel, yeah? Just go to my channel and just go to Planespotting Live now. There we go. Flip, flop. Should be able to jump on the comments. Hello, hello, hello. Lulu Brennan, good afternoon to you. Okay, we're reading out comments on YouTube right now, so come on and say hello if you're around and about. Wow. Wow, good morning, Facebook. Dreamliner wings, beautiful wing, man, look at that. This is where you get to see all this sort of like atmospherics, yeah. Oh man, it is really cool, man. Even though it just goes to show that there is that layer of air above us, which even though it's calm down here on ground, like it's yeah, but that was just because of the thing from it. Come on. Oh, it's just the bloke who drove in front of us and only said, you bar steward. Yeah. Come on. Ah, oh, getting quite decent of the clouds of these aircraft as they come on, son. Sort yourself out, mate. Oh, that is so annoying, man. I think in improving some functions or features possibly of this camera, Panasonic have inadvertently, possibly even just messed up the autofocus for long range and being able to distinguish between objects. or something like that. Aussie crew in the house. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Go on, son, get it down. Hey! Oh, yeah! Oh, look at that fishtail in the front end as well. Oh, fantastic. That's what we want to see. Love it, love it. Okay, good morning, Lulu, Brennan, Blimey, O'Reilly, Jason, Lease, Aviation, LAX. Hey, Jerry, can you say hi to my brother Liam? He's very ill and watching with me now. Liam, hope you're getting better, my friend, and hopefully this is bringing you a little bit of joy this morning. Aviation, LAX. Kamran Ashkar, Pakistan, good morning to you. Matthew Gunn Papati, good morning. Pierce Wise, I don't know. I don't know if I am missing the rugby or what, but I'd much rather be out here giving you guys some of this. Max's trucking videos. Another 777 coming. Thanks, mate. Camran, Richard Reed, Lewis Aviation. We're on our way to Manchester Airport to do some spotting. The weather is dreadful here. That's a great shame, my friend. Hope it gets better for you later. Although, I have to say, bear with it. Standing at that entry point on 23 left is absolutely immense, even in the wet. So make sure you just got wet weather clothes with you, fellas. And of course, a great disappointment talking about Manchester. A great shame to hear that the guys at Airliners Live are no longer going to be streaming, which is a great shame for all the Mancunians up there, all the regulars up there. Martin and Charlie, we wish you very happy future with your new ventures. I think they're going to be doing more production video stuff later on. So good luck to you guys on that one. A great shame, but I will continue the mantle up there for you guys up there in Manchester, and be bringing you some fantastic aviation content up there in Manchester. Neo Robinson, good morning to you. Let's just jump onto Big Jet TV right here on Facebook. If you're on the Freeview, good morning to you and good morning to everybody. Thank you very much for joining us. This is the Saturday show. What day is it? This is I don't know. Yeah, this time next week we'll be with the Vulcan, man. We'll be with the Vulcan. Is it? I think so, yeah. And a good morning to Alan Carter, if you're watching. Alan Carter has a Boeing 737 Sim company down there in Sussex, right next to, slap bang next to Gatwick Airport. We're possibly looking at doing a show next Wednesday down there with the guys at, I need to get the name of the business because the regulars up there, Martin. Shirley Burge, good morning. Matthew Campbell, Debbie Oakley, Pat Ryan, Kev Ashworth, Liam, Glenn, Jay Lee, Odette, Karina, Tom Thackeray, good morning from Pontefract, Glenn, Kenneth, great always to watch, is a pleasure. 876, share this to your friends right now, folks, because your friends may be sitting there downstairs waiting for the rugby to start or whatever, twiddling their thumbs, wondering what to do, and they can watch a little bit of aviation action right here on Big Jet TV for another sort of like 10 minutes or so, is it? Motion flight, there we go, yeah. Motion flight Alan Carter is with. Too many trucks. Whoa. So we're expecting the winds to stay kind of the same way that they are. Look at that. Singapore Slinger's in town, and his little sister Boeing 777-300ER. Good to hear that the Boeing 777-300ER, we've got some people who are going to be starting to convert those to freighters as well, so that's always good to see. Good morning to everybody watching right now on all channels. Stephen O'Brien, Trisha, Ian Walsh, James Bowman, Jim and Shaz in the house. Wes Love, thank you very much indeed. Al Disley, good morning to you. Got Costa and Planes for breakfast. Ace. Shalomo Eckstein is watching. Good morning. Alan, Elaine Max, Jaws Vignianis. Good morning from Rio de Janeiro. Wherever you are, guys. Jerry just found out that my brother has the all clear. Fantastic. That's great to hear, Aviation Alex. Charlie Buxton, currently in Terminal 2 Garden Inn Hotel on top floor, watching the action from up here too. Well, there you go. So that is the Garden Inn Hotel. I'd imagine that is that one there that's where we filmed from, folks. Oh, it's the new Hilton Garden Inn, is it? Okay. Oh, in Terminal 2, yes, of course. Yeah, but that just, I've got to be honest with you. Yeah. It just means that, you know, yeah, I don't want to mention anything because people, you know, people will always rip into something like that. But I just think it keeps the, I think it keeps the riffraff away. Do you know what I mean? There's our Hilton Garden Inn position, folks. That's my position behind that light. You can see there, that's one of the ILSs right here in the field here. But that's our position up there on the Hilton Garden Inn. That's exclusive to us. Alex Eurowings 320 from Hamburg. That's his city. I think that was the one that just came in. Kamran Azhar. Please speak my name. Kamran Azhar. Good morning to you. Neo Robinson. Time 84. Good morning from Western Germany. David Clark. Good morning from Rugby. First time watching on YouTube. David Clark in Rugby. Watching for the first time. Good morning to you. That's what we do here, folks. Try and read out as many names as we can, obviously. Okay. Yeah, let's okay, folks, now here's the drill. What have I got in the hole, Chili? What have I got in the hole coming in? Folks, it's such a shame. I know, and we don't obviously control aircraft movements here at Heathrow or any airfield. But nearly, your time is nearly up for Freeview, and it you know, it always hurts me to have to cut you guys off. Emily Burston tuning in from Australia. Good morning to you. Lucas Magna watching from Slovakia. Such a shame always to cut you guys off. I don't like doing it, but because I know you're enjoying it, I know you're loving it. But here on Big Jet TV, we do have a great audience of paying members, and they are our loyal subjects, so to speak, and we have to show them our loyalty and bring them their membership stream, which is now going to be for another 2 hours minimum. So we're going to get all these heavies. Got 747 4 out. Of course, if you want to join us for the rest of the show, as well as all the other shows that we're going to be doing with our members, then you are more than welcome to. Bottom left hand side of your screen there, folks, you see, whoa, easy son, you will see the link to our, or should I say the website address, to bigjet.tv. That's where you can find out everything that you need to know about Big Jet TV and what we do. Hold on, let me move this, because that's in the way. Sorry about that. So yes, good morning to you, John Carley, Stuart Highfield, Jacob Propram, good morning to you. Looks like you're tuning in from Thailand, possibly. Kevin Christian Reedman from Bavaria. Family drew such bags on the ready for landing. Yes, here we go. Not sure what that means, but... Oh, sick bags. Yeah. You're going to give them one more, Jenny. You're going to give them a heavy. Let's give them a heavy. Wow. Okay, here we go. 777, and then I believe a 747 behind him, is it? Is that right? Aviation LAX, unfortunately we are unable to do that, my friend. Max's trucking video. Mark Thompson, Trish is in the house. Kika Klaus, please wait before the 747 for cut off. Well, let's just do that because I like to think that I'm fair to you guys on Freeview. Don't forget that all of our members have come from Freeview. Here we go. Okay, Boeing 747. This is your final aircraft for Freeview, folks. Thanks for watching. If you want to stick around, you're more than welcome to. We'd love to have you here. And if you're a new member, make sure you come in and say hi. Boeing 747 with British Airways. Yeah, Rosa Aviation, we are more than aware of the ceasing of Air New Zealand service from London to Los Angeles. Great shame. Here we go. Yeah! Go on, girl! Yeah. Wow, big downdraft from that as well. Right. Okay, folks. Jelly just checked. I've got everybody on shot. Right, folks, that's your lot. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate your time. I'm Jerry Dyer. I run this stream solely as a sole individual. Of course, we've got the fantastic Jilly who helps us with the live streaming. We cannot be grateful enough to her. Thank you very much indeed to everybody for watching this morning. Really enjoyed your company. Sorry if I missed your comments, and make sure you join us on the next show. Next Wednesday we will be doing a show probably just for our members. We will have to let you know more on that in the coming days, but it's more than likely going to be a show from Motion Sim, which is a simulator setup that our good friend Alan Carter has, and we're going to be looking forward to doing that. So if you want to check out bigjet.tv, bottom left hand side of your screen. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your weekend wherever you are. Be good to the animals and look after yourselves, more importantly. Take it easy. See you later. Bye bye.